Are you happy with the money that you're making right now? How do you make sure that you derive a sense of happiness from the money that you're making? What's going on, my friend? My name is Vitaliy Dubinin. In this video, I'm going to share with you how do you go about your life doing what you love, what you enjoy, to give you a sense of purpose and actually derive happiness from the money that you receive. You see, if what you're doing right now is based on negative emotion, like anger, you're angry at somebody, I'm going to show them. I'm going to be successful. I'm going to make a lot of money and show them. That's coming from a very bad place, and this money will never gonna make you happy. Or if it's coming from a sense of that you want to prove to someone that you are worthy, that you are capable, and you are going around and making this money and you're trying to prove somebody wrong, again, this is a very bad source that you will not be happy with your money. Or maybe it's based on fear. You're making money because you are afraid. You see, in order for you to derive a great sense of joy and happiness, you need to really that what you do is based on a good positive source, which is, first of all, you love what you do, you genuinely love what you do, you derive a lot of joy from what you do. And second is your purpose, is your mission, is your life's work, is you are going there to serve people, to help people change their life, to solve their problems and issues, to make their life better, easier, happier. Whatever the problems you solve, whatever the results that you get for your people, that's why you are doing what you are doing. Not based on your anger, your fear, or trying to prove something to somebody. There are many examples of this in the world, that all of a sudden, somebody is 10 years in a fashion career because her mother is also in a fashion career, and she's trying to prove to her mother that she is capable, that she is worthy, but she doesn't really like the fashion design. You see, you need to ask yourself, is what you're doing right now really coming from your own decision that that's what you want to do? Or is it coming from a sense of you're doing it because you want your parents to approve of you? You want to have somebody else that are like, to show to somebody that you are worthy of it. It's two different things. For me, I really enjoy what I'm doing. I enjoy helping people to become financially free, to earn money in cryptocurrency. I enjoy to break people's limitations, their limiting beliefs, to change their mindset, to teach them skills on how they can be successful. And my mission is to help as many people to become financially free, doing what they love and not having a job, not working for somebody else, but doing it on your own. That's my purpose. I hope you find your purpose. And if you want to learn how we are doing it, how we are helping people achieve financial freedom with cryptocurrency, feel free to message me. I'm going to send you a free trading education that will help you on your journey to success. I'll see you in the next video.